Recording. What up, YouTube? It's me, Isaac, coming to you with another food review. So my mom, my aunt and I are still out. My mom and I usually get out on Mondays for like 5 to 6 hours, maybe more. And we stopped to get ice cream at Dairy Queen, and I freaking love Dairy Queen. I didn't even know they had Java chip. I didn't know they had Java chip blizzards, but that's what I ended up getting today. It was $6 for a medium, which doesn't surprise me with, oh my god, it tastes like freaking Starbucks. Oh my lord. It's colder and thicker than Starbucks, but man, does it look freaking look at that. That looks freaking tasty. So it'll probably be hard for me to do this. I'll just describe what it's like when I'm eating it. Oh my god. They actually combined them into what we said it was, Mom. They put Heath Bar pieces in here.
So that's really funny because I thought it would look like Heath Bar, but it tasted like chocolate chip.
I know. Oh my lord, I can taste the coffee in here. Sorry, not sorry, Mom. It has chocolate clusters, and it was really tasty. My God.
What you're in is, this is just a typical Monday for Isaac and I. Unless people are sick and it's doctor's appointments and things. If he's feeling up to go in, if it's an ear infection or if it's a checkup.
Ignore my mom.
I would have to go before.
But yeah, this is a typical thing for me and my mom to do. It's just I don't get blizzards whenever we go to Dairy Queen. I just got a blizzard because we're on vacation, or at least that's what I'm thinking. But yeah, it's really tasty so far. Oh my god, that is so damn good. It tastes like freaking Yoo-Hoos with chocolate balls in it.
I'll get some molten milk balls and freeze a Yoo-Hoo, and then it will be $5.99.
I wouldn't mind doing that. My mom just found a way to make redneck.
I didn't like the way you said it.
It does taste like a Yoo-Hoo, but we also have to get a piece of coffee chocolate. But yeah, I'm your host, Isaac Brummett. Please like, subscribe, share with your friends, and peace out, y'all. Have a good one. This is freaking delicious.